Hello, I live in USA and I am going to discuss about Sushant Singh Rajput case. On 15th of June, I was watching a YouTube video and after I finished the video, this video just popped up where Sushant Singh was being interviewed by a journalist and I was just impressed by the way he was talking and he was very intelligent, smart and very engaging. I watched the whole interview. At the end, they said this was his last interview. I was very anxious to even know why was this last interview. I looked him up and I found out that he had committed suicide on 14th of June, which did not add up. I was very upset. It basically restless all day. I was following his case so far, and first to start with they said that he had some mental illness, then they were talking about nepotism, then they said some stuff about girlfriend. Everything partially made sense, nothing ever made complete sense, except one thing, that on 9th his secretary uh, was dead, and it was a murder or suicide, that's a mystery, but it was called suicide. uh, when he read that news, his sister was with him, and that's why this information is more authentic, because he kept telling his sister that now they will not leave me, now they will not leave me. Oh God, we all relate to death in a sad manner, but this was, he was relating to this death very personally. It made him anxious, it made him fearful. There was something more than just his secretary's death. He knew something about this, and there was some link where he was fearful for his life. I think there is something which needs to be really investigated. People in India and abroad are following this case, and just for the closure of his fans. I had never seen him before, but that interview itself made me um, his fan, basically. And I would really personally myself want a closure. It could be our son, our daughter. It could be anybody's daughter. So our son, we need to feel safe. In India, I'm sure police is doing their job, but sometimes police are pressured. There could be ton load of money involved in this, and it is not fair for the boy who was so intelligent, so sincere, so human. I think his secretary did share something with him because he was human. He was so human, and she really saw that quality in him. She really felt that she could share this serious information, whatever was going on with him. We will slowly find out, but unless we all, as fans, ask for justice or ask for further inquiry, this is not going to happen. And it is our moral responsibility to really, really give justice to Sushant. I think each voice matters. I think it is everybody's responsibility, and it is the responsibility of higher authorities in India to look in this matter, just for the one basic reason that his all fans want justice. His all fans want closure. So that one reason is good enough for this case to be investigated. I think we look forward that this will be done, and and justice will be given to Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you very much. I live in USA, but I still closely follow Sushant Singh Rajput's case. I have never ever so far put a single picture on social media because I really, really do not like it. But I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop from making this video and letting know that how it is important, how people so far away like me also want to know what happened to him. If it was his decision, it's a different case. But somebody, if really somebody did this to him, then it needs to be investigated. It needs to be really looked into. So thank you, and I hope they do it. Thanks.